This video will demonstrate how to fabricate a PCB for a dot matrix display using the toner method. Firstly, we will need the following: the top layer of an Eagle schematic laser printed in black and white on glossy paper, if available, or regular paper. We will also need a piece of copper large enough to fit the design, water, fine sandpaper, a saw to cut the copper, 2 parts hydrogen peroxide and 1 part hydrochloric acid, as well as a hard plastic container and a drill with a 1 millimeter bit. Once you have all of the apparatuses, now to begin the fabrication process, you have to measure and mark your copper board to an appropriate size for the design. Secondly, you will sand the copper board to remove any grease as well as smooth the board. Once the board has been sanded, place the printed design face down on it. You can tape it in place or fold it as demonstrated. Next, using the iron, the toner will be imprinted on the board. Heat the iron and firmly press it against the copper board on the side that the design will be for 30 to 60 seconds to ensure that there are no smears on the finished product. Allow the board to cool for 30 seconds, then submerge it in a water bath, or if unable to do so, place it underneath running water and remove the paper. If any parts of the design are missing, draw them in with a Sharpie marker. Now, combine the 2 parts of acid and 1 part peroxide in a hard plastic container and agitate it thoroughly, taking care to never allow your skin to come in contact with the solution. This is the etching process. Using the fine sandpaper, sand the board until all of the toner is removed. Use a paper towel to wipe the surface of the board clean. Next, place the board over a spare piece of wood and using a 1 millimeter drill bit, drill all holes into the PCB. Then, insert the LEDs in the designated holes. Finally, using the flux and solder, solder the LEDs in place. Allow some time to cool, then trim the excess on the underside. Upon completion, your final product should look like this. I hope you enjoyed the video.